present the topic on your research proposal. Okay, thank you, Prof. Poti, as being my reviewer today. I will present my research proposal. The theme is digital content marketing, attracting potential risk by implementing experimental research design and education perspective. I'm standing here on behalf of Prof. Martina Sari and Alina as my counterpart. Introduction. Currently, the tourist sector in the emerging Indonesia is experiencing a decline. One of the causes is the COVID-19 pandemic, which prohibits people from moving and must be isolated in their respective location. Whereas tourists involve a large workforce and its role in the economy is being encouraged by the Indonesian government. Various policy proposals for handling the crisis in the tourist sector are carried out properly so that tourists can return to Indonesia soon. So I bring the issues of COVID-19. Statistical on tourist visit in 2018, its comparison with to has decreased considerably. And the next development, namely in 2002, there is 10 new routes with only being developed as many as 5 destinations and are called Indonesia 5 Super Priority Destination. Develop 5 priority destinations, namely Lake Toba, Borobudur, Mandalika, Labuan Bajo, and Likupang. Policies will also emphasize effort to develop 3A aspect, attraction and accessibility. So, in Indonesia, the government concerned to the aspect of attraction and accessibility. The Ministry of Tourism and Creative Economy is currently implementing the concept of digital marketing because it's considered in accordance with the dynamic and lifestyle of the community. The Ministry of Trade also encourages the industry players to do marketing through digital marketing. The lifestyle of the people who move quickly and are in direct contact with the internet. So digital marketing done especially to social media, a proper promotional effort and find consumer through social media. This activity allows the company to reach many audience in various places according to the target market that has been prepared. Digital marketing that is often carried out is marketing activities including branding using various web-based media such as creating digital content marketing or DCM in the form of blogs, website, email, AdWords, or social network. The question that then arises, has the digital content marketing produced by the Ministry of Creative Economy and is managed through various internet-based and social media platforms been able to influence potential tourists to come to tourist attraction? And are people willing to voluntarily share their experience on their social media after being at a tourist spot? Therefore, to find out, this study aims to find out whether the digital content marketing produced by Ministry of Creative Economy as a destination management organization to communicate various tourist advantages in 5 super priority destinations. The study aims to determine the effectiveness of digital content marketing, which is able to influence tourists to come to visit tourist destinations by using the uses and gratification theory and then ISA's marketing communication model, as well as including self-brand connection and experience variable. We have a literature review and method. First of all is digital marketing, then digital content marketing, and also using uses and gratification theory. Theory of uses and gratification is one of the theories of communication on social media introduced by Katz, Blumler, and Gurevich. It has been widely applied to assess people's motivation to use media. Next, I'm using ISA's model, internet technology that has developed in such a way as has now changed the paradigm of consumer and marketing communication system. So Dentsu in 2005 introduced ISAS as a form of marketing communication flow in the interaction between consumer and product of brands. ISAS itself consists of 5 variables, namely attention, interest, search, action, and share. In the final stage, the share will trigger the occurrence of electronic word of mouth or online version of word of mouth communication. I have a research model. First, digital content marketing. It's effect attention and interest. Then effect the search, action, and share. And we have another variable, self-brand connection and experience in tourist destination. Method data collection was carried out through experiment method in August, September in the territory of Indonesia. Questionnaires were distributed to 2 groups, 1 group control and 1 group experiment. Every consumer who meet the population criteria doesn't have the same opportunity to be selected as sample because the sample selection is based on criteria set by the research. Next, it's the result of the using a PLS, partial least square. And conclusion of this study is that digital content marketing contain clear information and the invitation to visit a tourist destination attract the attention of consumer so that consumer feel the need to seek information as clearly as possible through website and social media. Digital content marketing that prioritize content that is tailored to the intent consumer personal self-content is not effective in helping consumer decide whether they want to seek further information about a tourist destination. Visit to tourist destination will be followed by sharing behavior on the internet and social media when consumer feel satisfaction and new pleasant experience at tourist attraction. So they want to make share in the social media if they have a new experience. Okay, thank you, Prof.
There are 100 ways to harmonize the research proposal, but the most important thing, I would like to know how deep your literature review in finding the research gap. What is the meaning of research gap for you? Yeah, that's really important for you to understand. You know only thing that you knew about destination marketing, but you didn't know other material that you haven't bring. As I can see in your research proposal, I couldn't see the depth of your literature review, and then you only raise a few literature review. Okay, that is my comment.
Okay, Prof. Thank you so much for the comment. I just tried to find out the empirical gap in when I find that data that actually the number of the tourists that come to Indonesia is increased, but Ministry of Tourism have a program that develop five destinations in Indonesia except Bali, because all of the people who come to Indonesia, they always say they want to Bali. But actually in Indonesia we have various places to be visited by the tourists, and since 2015, Ministry of Tourism in Indonesia already make digital content marketing in YouTube channel, in Instagram, to promote the tourist destination. But the tourists always come to Bali.
What I mean is you need to read from article journal. That is your practical view about the object. The problem is not in the object, but how deep you understand about the concept that we will study in this journey, particularly about digital content marketing. What is the construct of digital content marketing? So it is very abstract in here. I cannot see that you understand the term of digital content marketing yet. And then I don't know whether you understand type of research. For example, how many type of research, and then you pick up experimental research design for your research. At least, what is the construct of digital content marketing? It also still empty in your presentation. So my suggestion, you have to read a lot of text about what is marketing, what is content marketing, what is digital marketing, what is content marketing, and what is digital content marketing. So there are several stages you need to understand, not only about the object, but you need to understand. If I ask you what is the definition of marketing, and then what is the definition of content marketing, and then what is the definition of digital marketing, and then what is the definition about digital content marketing?
For service.
For service.
Intangible. Not for service.
I think this is my comment.
Yes.
Thank you.
Digital marketing. Here. Very simple. Digital marketing. YouTube. Dubai. Tapi harus dimasukkan AIDA. AIDA konsep introduce your dissertation. AIDA konsep.
Bukan AISAS itu.
AIDA. Awareness, interest, desire, and action. Introduce your dissertation.
Kalau saya menggunakan ini, izin saya konsultasi ya. Kalau saya menggunakan AISAS yang terakhirnya kan share, attention, interest.
I think you need to read before you decide what you want.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, because as I mentioned, you just pick up the thing that you like, but you haven't reviewed other option. You decide that you want to go to Dubai. You haven't reviewed that there are so many beautiful places that you can pick up. Maybe Bangkok, Paris, Germany, and etc. So there is no reason in your explanation. There is no logical or academic review done in your research course.
Okay.
Ini harus banyak baca.
This is research in marketing for services, only services, not experimental design.
I see. It's
explanasi, mixed methods. Kausalitas, survey, and descriptive, your review. Digital marketing.
Yeah, there's so many terminologies.
Yes, terminologies, many.
Yeah.
Terima kasih, Prof.
Okay, congratulations.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Prof, makasih ya.
Saya juga agak sedikit perut saya mules ini.
Aduh, hati-hati, Prof.
Kali banyak makan yang pedas.
Izin ya, saya ke.
Ya, silakan.